Well, I don't know what. Yeah. Take away that fire.
Alrighty, so today we'll be doing something special today. Does everybody know what ChatGPT is?
No.
So let's just get some people. You want to tell us what it is? Yeah.
ChatGPT is an AI that you can search up on computers or laptops that will give you answers to questions and create questions itself.
Yes.
Are we going on it?
Yes.
No, we'll be looking at it right here. So does anybody have anything else to share about ChatGPT or AI in general? Yes.
Is it an actual AI?
Is this an actual AI?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it just an admin? Jarvis. Someone controlling it?
No. So the computer does all of the processing. That's a good question. So the computer does all the processing, and based off a lot of data, using all that Python that you learn, it creates this. What we created was MentorAI, to basically bring everything together to help you all, so that if you have a question, which this will be releasing later for you guys, but if you all have a question about Python, Scratch, or anything in that nature, you can just ask MentorAI. If you don't want to Google it, MentorAI is always.
Is I make an AI that
Jarvis?
Yeah.
So the person that's the smartest in the world made it? No.
No, so it learns by itself using something called machine learning.
Don't care.
Yeah?
Then how did they make the machine to make it?
Guys, quiet down, please. Quiet down.
Okay then.
They're just playing Scratch.
Could you,
Oh, are you okay?
yes.
Oh my god. Give me an AI on any app.
On your
Yeah, so.
Can you name the AI?
Okay. Okay. So yeah, AI really is basically machine learning. And what else do you have?
Hey, where's my notes? And is it on anywhere on technology?
So AI, this is a form of AI with ChatGPT, and it's used to help you. In this scenario, MentorAI is here to help you learn STEM concepts, review on some of the material that you may have missed. Say you missed a class, you can just click on looking for STEM resources to help, missed a class, or starting your adaptive learning. And we'll get into that pretty soon. Yeah?
Are we gonna make AI?
I mean, you might in the future, but for this class, we'll be using AI to learn.
Okay.
Okay, let's get started. So let's just start by, we'll just go through a quick run around. Say you missed a class, right? You click on missed a class,
I missed some class.
and you get a summary.
6 weeks
So
ago.
first it'll ask you,
Yeah, 6 weeks ago.
it should ask you, what class you missed first.
Where are we supposed to go again? You need a way.
Let's give it a second.
I couldn't find a spit
Now
What?
you have to tell
Whoa.
it. So say we missed a class on the Python, right?
No, Granny.
I missed a Python class. Class, please teach me. Let's see what comes out. So this is for any of you that may have missed a class of Marco Innovation. And it searches through the entire database that we've uploaded for you guys.
Focus
Looks through that and tries to give you something that you guys can use. So it's looking through the knowledge right now. And it should come up. Yeah. So it tells you all the steps. So Python, you gotta visit your REPL, log in using your MCPS Google account, all of that. Yeah, so that's basically one application.
somebody in. Same.
Variables, so it tells you all of that. So this is definitely useful for any sort of scenario that you're
What?
top of there. Okay, now let's ask you another thing. Okay, let's say let's just say let's say you need some STEM resources, right? You can click on looking for STEM resources. Guys, this is also really important because once you leave this course, what you'll take with you are your skills and potentially some of these resources that you can use to refer back. So it gives you, if you ask for STEM resources, Python, Rappler, Code Academy, and some other STEM courses like the automating boring stuff, Arduino microcontrollers, Scratch, all of that you guys might be interested in. So that's definitely something to look into.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yep, it's a lot. So you know, we'll just stop it right here.
Yeah.
And now let's do the real thing. Let's start the adaptive learning. Now who's ready for some adaptive learning? Okay, so based off the knowledge that you all have learned from Python, let's do this. Okay? So on your blank Google Docs, you could delete everything that's on the Google Docs and start with 1. Okay, number 1. Yeah?
My computer won't turn on.
Except for the title. Yeah?
Wait, what do we must have?
Alright, is everyone ready? Yeah?
Go get another 2. One.
So you want to do Control A and then backspace. Control A, yeah?
Huh?
Because my computer's mouse was glitching.
What? So you want to make sure you delete everything from the text of the Google Doc, except for the title.
Oh.
Alright guys, pay attention. Because you all are going to be writing your answers to this. Question 1. What is a microcontroller? Put your answers on the Google Doc.
So there's this one. What?
Yeah. Okay.
Uncle feels.
So, yeah. I'll give you guys like another minute to answer this question. Put your best guesses on the Google Doc. Yep. So you want to answer it, number 1, and then put A, B, C, or D, depending on which one you think the correct answer is.
Okay.
Oh wait, Ruth, should I stop recording?
Come a little closer. You can just write the letter A, B, C, or D. Okay? So we have 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's move on.
What was the answer?
So let's just say, does anybody want to share what they put? Since your hand went up first. Yes. A. Let's see if that's correct. A. Correct. Let's give them a round of applause.
I got B.
Okay, that's okay. Guys, we got another question now. So what does this code do? Write down the letter of the answer once you get it.
Hello world.
Write down the letter of the answer. Okay, has everybody... Okay, so raise your hand if you think the answer is A. Raise your hand if you think the answer is B, C, or D. So let's see what ChatGPT thinks is A. Or MentorAI. This is our own application that we developed called MentorAI. This will be out soon, but as of right now, it's only available to GPT-4 users. But soon it will be out for everybody. So let's see what they say. Wait, who's...
Correct again.
Let's go to a round of applause. Good job, guys. Okay, we have a scratch one, guys. We have a scratch one. I think you guys are going to be really good at this one. A scratch-related problem. What is a sprite? A sprite. Okay, what do you think the answer is? A, B, C, or D?
Interactive object that can be programmed. C. Yes.
So do we think it's C?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see if it's C, guys. And C.
I have a scratch.
C is correct. Good job. Okay. How many more of these do you guys want to do?
5. Up to 5. Is a red 5.
We'll do 5 more. We'll do 5 more.
What's a red one?
Wait, guys. Our score is 15 right now. We got all of them correct so far. That's good. Okay? That's
Wait,
good.
what is a breadboard?
A breadboard? I'll give you guys a hint on this one. This one's a little tricky. A breadboard is something that you connect wires to so that the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you remember from the Arduino? Yeah, so it's something that you connect all the wires to so that electricity flows throughout it.
So it's
Oh, does anybody have an answer? Yes. Yes. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it's A.
I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Building temporary.
it can't be A.
Oh, it's okay.
I knew it.
So the answer was C. It's to temporarily build and test circuits without soldering. So you guys, do you guys remember how we took the wires and we put it into the breadboard with the Arduino? Or maybe that's another session. But essentially,
that was last year.
that was probably last year. But
That was last year.
yeah, you're right. You're right.
I'm sure that was last year because I wasn't there.
So that makes sense. With the wires, what we would do is plug it into an Arduino on one end and a breadboard on the other. So that would help to make sure that the circuitry connects. Okay, we got one more. We got another problem. In Python, what is a list? A list. We didn't actually cover this, but let's see if you guys know based off your intuition. A list. A list. Yes. Okay, let's see that. What's your name? Vihan. Vihan said it's D. Let's see what MentorAI says. And MentorAI says it is...
It's just downloading information.
Oh, it's not correct. Unfortunately, the answer is B. It's a data structure used to store all sorts of information within Python. Or any other language, honestly. Okay. How many more do you guys want to do? Is this a lot? We'll do. All right, we'll do one more. Okay. This is the last one for all the marbles. This one's for all the marbles. Okay.
What is that? What marbles? Iron Man?
It's.
Did he come back to life? What? Oh my god.
What's the question?
Okay. Let's ask it to give me one last problem.
Give me one last.
Okay.
Question 6. What?
So you guys. Wait, guys, listen up. It's not just Arduino. It's not just Arduino. It's also any other programming language. What is a loop? Loop. Okay, wait, guys, let's think about this. What does a loop do? A loop. Yes.
Repeat?
It repeats. That's a key word. Remember that when you're answering this question.
What?
Okay, we'll give you another 10 seconds to pick an answer. Yeah? Okay. Who thinks it's A? Who thinks it's B? Who thinks it's C? Okay, we see a lot of hands for C. Who thinks it's D? Okay, let's go with C. This is for all the marbles. Let's see if we got this one.
Please be the right one. No, it's
All right, we did it. Good job. Yay! Okay. Yeah. So, guys, definitely make sure that once ChatGPT, this feature opens up to everybody else, that we're all utilizing this to learn. Does anybody have any questions or feedback about this? Alrighty. That's good.